So today we are going to solve this problem from JEE Main 2021. This is a problem of probability. So probability and combinatorics is mixed here. So the problem is all possible words with or without meaning were formed using all the letters of the word examination. The probability that M appears at fourth position, this is important, is which of these options? 2/11 or 1/11 or 4/11 or 8/11. So let us solve the problem. So let us consider this set. Let S be the set. So what is the set S? Now S consists of all possible words with or without meaning formed using all the letters of the word examination. Okay, so we consider this as the set S, where S consists of all possible words with or without meaning formed using all the letters of the word examination. So what is the number of element in S? So number of element in S is how many letters can we form, how many words can we form using the letters of the word examination. So in this word examination there is total 11 words. Look, there is total 11 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now how many E is there? There is only one E. X, there is only one X. A. Look, here is one A and here is another. So there are two A. How many M? There is only one M. And how many I? Here is one and here is another one. So there are two I. Okay. Then number of N, again 2, because here is a N and here is another one. Okay, so number of T, only 1. Number of O, only 1. Look, all total 1, 2, 2 to 4, 4, 1, 5 to 7 to 9, 10, 11. Okay, so how many words can we form using these letters? So the total number of words will be that those may be of with meaning or without meaning. So in total 11 letters, so 11 factorial over A is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. I is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial again, and N is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial again. So now this is our all possible words. Okay, so now let us consider this set X. Okay, what is X? The probability that M appears at the fourth place. So X consists of all possible words with or without meaning formed using all letters of the word examination. Okay, keeping M at the fourth place, fourth position, FOURTH, fourth position. Okay, so this is considered, this is our set X. Now let us write the word examination again. This is examination. Okay, so the word is same, but look, what is the position of M? 1, 2, 3, 4. So M is already in the fourth position. Okay, so keeping M fixed here. How many words are there now? So keep this word fixed. Now there are 1, 2, 3, So keep this letter fixed M here. Now how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 letters now. Now these 10 letters in these 10 positions, using these 10 letters, how many words can we create? Okay, now M is fixed and there is only one M, so fix this. Then look, there E will be 1, there will be 1 X, 2 H, 2 I, 2 N, 1 T and 1 O. So in total, what will be the number of the elements of the set X? So keeping M fixed, all the other 10 letters can be arranged in 10 factorial ways, and as their A is repeated 2 times, so divide it by 2 factorial, N is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial, and T is repeated, A and I and N are repeated 2 times, so divide again by 2 factorial. So as A is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. As I is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. As N is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. Okay. Now, look. Then what will be the probability? So the probability that M appears at the 4th position. So the probability is, so now we are going towards the answer. The probability that M appears at the 4th place is equals to, so total number of elements in the set, that is number of S, and in the numerator is number of X. So now what is number of X? Number of X is this. So 10 factorial over 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, and the number of S is 11 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay. Now if we divide, we will get 10 factorial. Look, this denominator will be cancelled out by this denominator, so it will be 10 factorial over 11 factorial. Again, we can write this as 10 factorial over 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 factorial. So 10 factorial cancels out, so the answer will be 1 over 11. So option 2 is the right answer, that is 1 over 11. So the probability that M appears at 4th position is 1 over 11. So thank you friends for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel Live Fear Do Mathematics and tap the bell icon so that you get all the notification of the upcoming videos. Stay tuned with us, we will come back shortly with this kind of video again, and you can join our WhatsApp discussion group, the link is given in the description, and join our Facebook group also, the link is given in the description. Thank you.